Welcome back. As a certified master facilitator, I quite literally run workshops for a living. I'm often asked, Michael, how do you prep for a workshop? Now, truthfully, my planning list is over 70 items long, but I want to talk about 3 of them today with you. First one is participant interviews. My intention is not to become an expert in my client's business. They're the experts. However, I really do want to make sure I understand dynamics in the room, personal objectives, and personal biases. Sponsors often think they can share that with me. Often they just don't know themselves. So I try to invest in participant interviews as much as I can. The second point I want to talk about is the importance of a briefing book. I have found that in the absence of a common base of data, people with the loudest voice often drive the discussion. So what I try to do is make sure that we have a common base of information in a briefing book that everybody in the workshop can reference in the meeting. It's a fantastic leveler of information in the room. The third point I want to talk about is the importance of engagement strategies. And by that I mean, how do you physically move the conversation from point A to point B to point C in a way that ensures that the output that you intend is the output that you get. So in summary, 3 very important points to consider as you plan your workshop. Consider participant interviews. Ensure that you've got a briefing book of common information, and make sure that you spend time thinking through the engagement strategies of the workshop itself. If you're interested in seeing the checklist that I use in planning for a workshop, feel free to download it from the website.